Hi Group 1, here are your words for your test this week. Your first word is sky. It is so beautiful outside. The sky is a bright blue. Sky. Number 2 is fly. My little sister is excited to fly on an airplane for the first time. Fly. Number 3 is shy. I would describe the main character in the book as shy. She doesn't like to ask friends to hang out first. Shy. Number 4 is try. Make sure that you try your best on your chapter test. Try. Number 5 is sigh. The character was so frustrated they let out a long sigh. Sigh. Number 6 is quit. I really want to quit soccer, but my parents told me to keep practicing. Quit. Number 7 is quick. Make sure when you transition, it is quick. Quick. Number 8 is since. The bookstore has been open since 10 o'clock this morning. Since. Number 9 is twice. Make sure to check your answer twice. Twice. Number 10 is right. When you double check your problem, make sure your math is right. Right. Number 11 is night. I usually go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. Night. Number 12 is white. The color of the wall is white. White. Number 13 is cry. I watched my little sister fall. I hope she doesn't cry. Cry. Number 14 is write. Please get out a pencil to write with. Write. Number 15 is tight. Make sure you close the door tight so it doesn't open again. Tight.